Picoworkers account create, Picoworkers how to work, Picoworkers review, Picoworkers is it legit. All these are the reasons why you clicked on this video. Well, today's video I'll walk you through everything that you have to know on Picoworkers. Signing up on the platform to completing your first task, whether you're a newcomer to the platform or looking at increasing your earnings. Stay tuned, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's move on with today's video. Well, you may ask, what is Picoworkers? Picoworkers is a platform where individuals can earn money by completing micro tasks for companies and individuals. So now that you know Picoworkers, let's go and sign up and show you how you can complete your first task. Okay, so before you can sign up, all that you're gonna do is to type picoworkers.com. Don't worry, the link is in the description box. Click on that and it will take you to this page. The next thing you're gonna do is to click on sign up or get started. This will be the next page. All that you have to do is to fill the necessary requirements. Your name, make sure it's your real name. You type your email, then you choose a password. Your password must have at least 10 characters, uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least one special character. So you do that. It's very simple. You confirm the password, then you type your nickname, you select your country, which is Ghana. Guys, then select your profile type. For now, click on I'm a worker. Before you can proceed, you have to agree to the terms and conditions over here. Then you click on sign up. Everything is simple, so make sure you complete this in order for you to sign up. After doing this, they will send you email verification. You go into your email that you entered here, then you verify your account. Everything is simple. So I'm gonna log into my main account, then we'll continue. After entering your details, the next thing that they will require you is to verify your account. Click on the verification message that they will email you, then verify your account. Everything is simple. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is to open my main account and we will continue from there. Alright, so now let's navigate through the dashboard of Picoworkers. Over here you can see information about your profile, account settings and rules. Okay, this is where you can also log out. Then the next thing is where you can see notification. Over here too, you can switch between a freelancer and a buyer. Freelancer, you are looking for tasks in order to participate in, and a buyer, you are requiring people to work for you. Everything is simple here, so you can switch between them. The next one is wallet. We'll go deep later. Then over here you can browse through service and offers, browse service and offers, or my service and offers. Then over here you can find jobs that you have already done. This is like your history. Finished tax, satisfied and paid tax. Okay, then pending review. So these are the jobs that I've done so far with this account. I've participated in 8 tasks and I got paid for 6. Then my pending review is 0. Okay, then over here too you can browse through gigs, browse gig requests, my posted gigs, my gigs orders and post gigs. Everything is simple, guys. So the wallet menu is where you can do withdrawals and transactions histories. So with the withdrawal method, there's a lot of withdrawal method that you can use to withdraw your money with PayPal, bank transfer, any form that you are okay with. You can choose that. You can use PayPal and bank transfer. So if you want to use bank transfer, all that you're going to do is to create an account with Pioneer. Don't worry, subscribe to the channel. I'll show you how to create an account with Pioneer so that we can link our bank account to, in order for us to withdraw our money. Everything is simple, so you can choose any withdrawal method from here. So far as you meet the withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw your money. Everything is simple here. Let's move on. Let's look at the types of jobs that you can participate on Picoworkers. 1, we have surveys and offers. So if you want to participate in any surveys, all that you're going to do is to browse through any of these surveys over here. So when you click on, you can participate in that survey. Then the next is micro jobs. Over here you can find jobs level. For starters, For now, you can participate as a starter. Then over here, this is the category of the jobs, so you can browse through and choose the preferred category. Then the next one is payment range, so you can play around the payment range that you want to participate in. Okay, then hit on apply. You can also choose the location where you want to participate in their jobs. All these are jobs that you can participate, and this is the amount that you earn when you do that tax. Everything is simple here. So if you decide to participate in this job, all that you're going to do is to click on that. The next thing you're going to do is to check excluded countries. Guys, be careful here. If your country is excluded, meaning you cannot participate in this job, so make sure you check excluded countries. After checking that and your country is not in, the next thing is to read what is expected from you. So you can come here and read what is expected from you. Make sure you read it carefully and follow step by step. Okay, then the next thing is to read what is required to submit as a proof. So you read that, then over here you submit your proof, then you hit on submit proof. After that, this amount which will be earned will appear here as pending, because the work will be under review. After the review, when you pass, it will be added to your total earns here. So in a day you can even participate in any job. Okay, then all these jobs will be under pending review. After the review and you qualify for the work, you will receive your payment. Simple. So let me share my tips for successful jobs as I started working with Picoworkers, which earns me more money. Number one, select high paying tasks. Make sure you participate in tasks that you earn more. Number two, maintaining a good task completion rate. Next is leveraging bonuses or incentives offered by the platform, so you can participate in any bonuses that the platforms offers. By referring people, earn more. So how do you refer people? Let me show you. Please let me take a minute of your time. I want you to do me a simple favor, and it takes nothing to do this favor. I have dedicated my time, my resources, sleepless night to shoot this entire video for you. All that you can do for me if you appreciate this content is number one, click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to promote this video to anyone who is searching for this content. Number two, subscribe to join the community for free. Why must you subscribe? Over here I take you through financial freedom, building wealth together step by step, personal experience, rare proof, no scamming. The goal is to build one, financial freedom, two, time freedom, and three, location freedom, so that anytime I'm in need, you can help me and help the people over there. So subscribe as I count 1, 2, 3. Thank you for subscribing to join the community. Comment, let me know where you are watching me from, and I'll give you a welcoming message. Let's continue with today's video. So if you want to refer people, all that you're gonna do is to come here and click on refer a friend. You can join the referring program. Post your referral link on blogs, websites, forums, social media, or write Sprout Gigs review. Refer new members, freelancers, and business owners, and earn commission revenue. Okay, so you can join this. If you want to copy your referral link or get referral link, just come here, copy your link. Then guys, introduce people to Picoworkers, and you will earn anytime that somebody perform any task here, you earn a commission on that. After referring somebody, you earn 5% from each deposit or tax that person does here. So you can use the referral program and money on Picoworkers, and when you meet the withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, where I will show you how to create an account with Pioneer and link your bank account so that you can withdraw all your money. Remember that success on this platform takes time and effort but can be rewarded with dedication. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, leave your comment in the description box. Let me know what you want me to do for you. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.